Hey everyone, this is Fred from God All Spies coming to you live on April Fool's Day. This is Ryan. I know that was a horrible April Fool's joke. But can you guys believe it's April 1st? And we have some exciting announcements from God All Spies. And so I just want to give a few moments for everyone to join us live. As always, we are live on Facebook and on Instagram. And so if you're watching us live, say hi. Tell us where you're from. Give us a heart, a like, comment. Hey, Natasha, how you doing? Let us know how you're doing. But more importantly, it is April 1st, and at least in our neck of the woods, we celebrate April Fool's Day. So I need some help figuring out some April Fool's jokes to pull on my wife. So Andrea, how you doing? Thanks for watching us live. And so if you guys have some really good April Fool's jokes, comment below. Comment and let us know some of your best April Fool's jokes. And if they're good enough, I might just send you some freebies. And so, yes, April Fool's jokes. I need to figure some out. Hey, Carrie, how you doing? Thanks for watching us live. Yes, April 1st, it's like, what are you going to do? What are you going to do? But I do know one thing that I'm going to do. Hey, Judy, how you doing? Is we are going to announce our brand new April subscription box, and that is no April Fool's joke. I am here, and I am prepared to show you what you guys are going to get in your April subscription box. Hey, Leah, how you doing? But what is really, really, really cool about this month's subscription box is we don't have just not one. Hey, Dana, how you doing? Not two, but we have 3 brand new products that will only be. Hey, Christy, how you doing? We have 3 brand new products that will only be available in our April subscription boxes, and so we have tons of amazing subscribers, and you guys are going to be the first ones to get our new products as always. And so if you are not familiar with our subscription box services, go to GodOilSpies.com, go to the subscription category. We have all the information there. You're going to want to subscribe because this is the best, the easiest, the most cost-effective way to get essential oil supplies each and every month without any issues at all. So I see some people are saying they can't see the video. You want to get on Facebook, make sure everyone can see this video, because I can see your comments, and I hope you guys can see me, and I hope you guys can hear me, because this month's subscription box is amazing. So again, just I want to thank everyone for hopping on live. And so if you guys are watching us, remember, always like, comment, share these videos with your friends, family, neighbors, your oil groups, and let me know. And let me know what you think. And also, again, let me know some of your April Fool's jokes. Let's see. All right. I have a couple people telling me they can't see it. I have a couple people telling me they can. And are we having technical difficulties? I don't know. I'm getting some thumbs up. Can everyone see me? All right. Well, we're just going to go for it. I hope you guys can see me, because we have some really, really cool stuff. And so in April, we are launching our Sprays of Spring collection. That is right, our Sprays of Spring collection. And I'm going to start off by showing you, first and foremost, our 3 brand new products that will be included in our Sprays of Spring collection. So let me grab one of these bottles behind me. And so we brought these in specifically for this box. And so look how awesome these bottles look. And so our Sprays of Spring collection feature these colored spray caps. And we have 12 different colors. Instagram might have a hard time seeing them, but on Facebook, you guys can see all the different colors right here behind me. I'll grab a couple so I can bring them up close to show you on Instagram. So we have these brand new colored spray caps that are only available in our April subscription box, and they look great. So we have 12 different colors, really fun spring colors, get you guys ready for spring. And these spray caps, not only are they new, but we also brought in these 30 ml frosted bottles for our Sprays of Spring collection. So don't those bottles look great? So hey, Kathy, they are pretty. Thank you. So if you guys if you guys think these are pretty, let us know, because we have worked long and hard to bring these in for you guys. And so they are extremely pretty. And so while I'm showing you the bottles and spray caps, let me show you, because I love the labels. We always, we work really hard at bringing you the best essential oil labels. And so let me show you this label sheet that we have come up with you guys for our Sprays of Spring collection. Doesn't that label sheet look great? And so we come up with 12 room spray recipes. And these recipes are a must-have for spring. Look how fun these are with these little ladybugs and flowers on them. And so you get all 12 labels plus the lid stickers on this label sheet. And you can't have labels without a recipe sheet. So look how beautiful these labels and recipe sheets turned out for you guys. And so again, all these labels and recipe sheets, excuse me, I'm back, help you guys make the entire Sprays of Spring collection. So these are two of the new products, the color spray caps and these 30 ml frosted bottles. And what we also wanted to do for you guys is we wanted to kind of put a ton of room sprays in a booklet for you guys. And so this booklet right here, the 101 Essential Oil Room and Linen Sprays booklet, this booklet is only available in our subscription boxes. And so this booklet also is the same size as our label sheets and recipe sheets, has the holes punched, so all of our content will fit inside of our content management system notebooks. So this booklet is no exception. So you get this booklet included in your Oiler and Builder box subscriptions. And so let me kind of open this up for you guys. You guys can see how beautiful this booklet is on the inside. So we have room sprays for the home to help you sleep, wellness, mood, concentration, and then we have some for spring and summer, fall and winter. I mean, so just tons of awesome room and linen sprays in this booklet, and this is also included with our Sprays of Spring collection, which is in our April subscription boxes. And so I'm going to go over each of our subscription boxes and tell you exactly what you get, because a lot of our subscribers, they want to know, what do I get in my boxes? And so let me kind of start off again by talking about our subscription boxes. So each month we come up with new content, and every month we just automatically send it to our awesome subscribers. And so we have an Oiler box, which is perfect for personal use, and we have a Builder box, which people use that are trying to grow their essential oil business. And so I'm going to start with our Oiler box. And our Oiler box is only $19.95. And when you subscribe, your first month ships free. It is a great value. We give you everything you need to make the kit. And so in our Oiler box this month, you will get 12 of our brand new 30 ml frosted bottles. Because you're going to need 12 bottles for the kit. We give you all 12 bottles. And plus you get all 12 of our assorted color spray caps. Now these spray caps are awesome. So you will get the entire assortment of all 12 of our spray caps. You will get one of our brand new 101 Essential Oil Room and Linen Spray booklets. This is included in every Oiler box. And another thing that we're going to throw in all of our Oiler boxes is this photosensitive lid sticker sheet. So all these little lid stickers have a little picture of a sun with a line through it. Now you might be like, Ryan, it's spring. Why are you giving me a photosensitive lid sticker sheet? And the reason why is now that it's springtime, summer's around the corner, all of us are going outside. We need to remember that some of our essential oils, like bergamot, grapefruit, lemon, and lime, they're photosensitive, which means when you apply them, you have to wait for a certain period before you go out in the sun. And so these lid stickers are great for your essential oil blends because you can put them on any rollerball blend or any spray that you make that contains the photosensitive oils like bergamot, grapefruit, lemon, and lime. And that way you remember, it's like, okay, I put this on, I can't go sunbathe right now. So these are very important. So one sheet of these lid stickers will be included in every single Oiler box. And of course, we're going to give you a sheet of the brand new Sprays of Spring labels and a sheet of the recipes, which again all fit in our content management system. So if you don't have your notebook, go get yours now because all of our content will fit in there. And then just for convenience, we always throw in a funnel, a pipette, and we have an awesome surprise. Every single box, every single month, we include a surprise. And so we've developed a brand new surprise for you guys. It's going to be in the box, and so it's a surprise, so I cannot tell you what it is, but you won't want to miss it. So again, that is our April Sprays of Spring subscription box. It is only $19.95. Go to GodAllSupplies.com, sign up if you're not already one of our amazing subscribers, and get that box. Now, let's move on to the Builder Box. The Builder Box, again, is for people that they like to do DIY classes, make and take classes. They're trying to grow their essential oil business. They want to share their essential oils with everyone, and you need to get these Builder Boxes each and every month. And so, in this month's Builder Box, I'm going to tell you exactly what you get. But before I get there, they are only $39.95. That's it, $39.95 a month. When you subscribe, your first month ships free. And let me tell you why this is a big deal. So we've been averaging about $60 retail value on our Builder Boxes. And so you only pay $39.95, and you get at least $60 value. You're saving 33% on your essential oil supplies. Now, last month, in March, the retail value was around $70. And this month, for April, it's no different. And so our retail value is almost $70 for our builder kit. And you can buy it for only $39.95. So you're saving close to 40%, if not more, off of these essential oil supplies. And so our monthly Builder Box is the best deal in essential oil supplies. And so if you want to save a ton of money, get the newest products, the newest content delivered to you automatically every month, go sign up for our Builder Boxes. And so this month is no different. And that is not an April Fool's joke. These boxes are worth almost $70 for only $39.95. And so again, in our Builder Box, you're gonna get again 12 of our 30 ml frosted bottles, so you can make the entire set for yourself, plus a dozen of our colored assorted spray caps. So no different. We're going to give you everything you need to make the kit for yourself. I'm going to put those back there because they look so pretty. And then in the Builder Box, we're also going to give you some 5 ml spray bottles. Now these are great for sharing your essential oils. Let's take, for example, you make the Spring Sunrise, our Spring Sunrise room spray. You make up this recipe. You can then take this recipe and divide it among some of these 5 ml spray bottles, and throw a lid sticker on there, whatever you want, and then you can share these with your friends, families, and neighbors. Because when they smell how awesome your essential oils are, they're going to want to use essential oils. And so this is a great way to share your love of essential oils. So we give you some sample spray bottles that you can use to share your oils with others. And then in our Builder Box, you don't get just one label sheet. You get 12. You get 12 label sheets, 12 recipe sheets. You still get our 1-in-1 essential oil room and linen spray and the photosensitive lid sticker, plus the pipette and the funnel and the surprise. You get all that, which is, I think it's like a $68 value this month for only $39.95. And so you just get a ton of recipes, a ton of labels, some containers to share, plus you get all of our brand new content. Again, we have 3 new products: the frosted 30 ml sprays with the colored caps, brand new products, and then fresh off the press, we have our 101 essential oil room and linen spray booklet, only available in our subscription boxes. The Builder Box, again, $39.95, an amazing deal. Go and get it now. And so that's all I have for you guys, which was a ton, but this month we're so excited about. I hope you guys I'm going to hold some of these up. In fact, I'm going to bring all these up because these bottles look amazing. So this one right here, that's our Spring Flowers label. I'll show you all of these. This one is our Spring Breeze. See how pretty those are? Here we go. If I don't dump them all off first, here we go. Spring Showers. See how cool these look? spring blooms. I mean, orange is my favorite color. Love, love, love orange. Our spring bouquet. And then again, these guys, I promise you, these room sprays smell great. Here's our spring sunrise. Say wave hi to Gina in the background over there. All right, we have our spring mist, and I love that blue. The blue is great. Spring garden. Everyone loves planting their gardens in the spring. See, I got 4 more. Spring relief. Springtime in our lavender bottle. How beautiful is that lavender? Love it. And then we have spring hike in our purple bottle and our spring dew in our dark purple bottle. And so these labels match the lids. It is an absolutely beautiful collection. You guys are going to want to make sure you pick this one up. So go to godalwaysflies.com. Look at our subscriptions. Oiler box is only $19.95, great for personal use. Our builder box is only $39.95. This month's value is almost at is valued at almost $70. Go pick up our builder box and enjoy spring. Spring is awesome. I love spring. We go outside, flowers are blooming, the trees, everything's coming back to life. This is a beautiful time of year. And here at God Always Flies, we're always working on creating the best content for you guys, for our customers, so you guys can enjoy the seasons, enjoy the holidays. And this right here, this booklet, is going to be something that you guys use every month, every year. So this 101 Essential Oil Room and Linen Spray booklet is awesome. And it's only available inside of our subscription boxes. And so, again, this is Ryan, wishing everyone a happy April Fool's Day. And again, if you have any really good April Fool's jokes that I can pull on my wife, comment below, because I need all the suggestions and help that I can get. And so thanks again so much for watching. We appreciate all of you guys. And then I will be back next week with another amazing video. And so until then, everyone, have a happy April. Bye-bye.